What if gravity suddenly switched off? The moment gravity disappeared, you would stop being pulled toward the ground. If you were standing still, you would begin drifting upward instead of falling down. Your chair, your phone, your school bag, and everything else that was not firmly attached would start floating too. But Earth itself would not suddenly explode or fly apart. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground, but it also keeps the moon moving around Earth. Without Earth's gravity, the moon would no longer follow its normal orbit. It would continue moving through space in a roughly straight path. The same thing would happen to artificial satellites orbiting Earth. They would no longer be held in their usual orbits and would continue along their paths through space. Things would become even stranger near the surface because Earth's atmosphere would no longer be held down by gravity. The air around you would begin escaping into space. Without air pressure, breathing normally would become impossible. Oceans, rivers, and lakes would also stop being held against Earth's surface. Huge amounts of water would begin drifting away from the planet. Even the familiar idea of rain would disappear because there would be no gravity pulling water droplets downward. Plants and animals would also struggle because life on Earth evolved under the constant influence of gravity. Your body would not immediately become weightless inside your own skin, but you would no longer have weight in the usual sense. Over time, living in weightlessness would cause major changes to the human body. Muscles would weaken because they would no longer need to fight gravity. Bones would also become weaker because they would no longer experience the loads they normally handle. And here's the strangest part. Earth's gravity is not just keeping you on the ground. It is helping hold together the entire structure of our planet and everything surrounding it. So, if Earth's gravity genuinely disappeared, we would not simply float around for a few seconds. Earth would become a completely different place as its atmosphere, oceans, satellites, and moon began following new paths. Fortunately, there is no real-world scenario where Earth's gravity simply switches off. Gravity is built into the structure of how mass interacts with the universe. So the next time you feel your feet firmly planted on the ground, remember that an invisible force is constantly pulling you toward the center of Earth. That's gravity, and without it, our world would be almost unrecognizable.